Regarding the border dispute, as you know that in presence of Honorable Union Home Minister, we have resolved 6 disputed sites out of 12. Now, most important thing is to see that boundary pillar is erected in the places, that is the 6 places where we both states agreed to resolve the boundary dispute. Out of that, there is 1 or 2 small pending requests from Government of Meghalaya. We have said that this request will be considered by us and will inform Government of Meghalaya within a week time. There is some readjustment is required in Tarabari and Gijang. An equal portion of land will be provided to Assam and some village will be adjusted in favor of Meghalaya. So those small 2 issues will resolve within a week, and thereafter we are confident that we will be able to erect boundary pillar in 5 disputed sites before 15 August.
On the issue of border, as mentioned by Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, that we had signed a historic agreement and MOU for the 6 areas of differences, and now that we are very close to actually finalizing the pillars, small small issues are there which need to be resolved, which we have discussed in detail today, and I'm happy to inform you that most likely by the 15th of August, or rather before the 15th of August, we will be able to resolve and finalize the actual pillars in the different in the 5 areas of differences before the 15th of August, which, as I said, will be a major milestone and another strong testament of the friendship between Assam State, Assam government and the government of Meghalaya.